What's up, guys? It's Ari and I'm back with another video. Today we are reacting to Hanbin's Waterfall film and the live video of him performing Waterfall. I literally tried to just record this and my whole phone just like, I didn't have any storage, so it cut off. But we're gonna re-record because we're just gonna act like I've never seen this. But make sure you guys like this video and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys know when I post. Hanbin's album is coming out June 1st, so make sure you guys pre-order it. And you guys are gonna be streaming everything. But yeah, let's just get into this video. 3, 2, 1. Hanbin Kim. You can, the pain that this album's gonna hold. June 1st. Okay, now we're gonna listen to Waterfall, the live film. That was the intro film. Now we're gonna be doing the live film. So yeah, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. If there's not an ad. Okay. I can't even imagine how hard it would be, like, for Wonho too, but like getting into a scandal for something you didn't do and you have to rework your entire life to do this again. Because some people that doesn't happen to, they just decide not to be an idol anymore. So it's like rebuilt an entire label by yourself and just rebranded yourself completely just to like tell people like, this is not gonna stop me from doing anything. The main part of the song is I really like when he's like, he's calling all of himself like these names, because those were literally the names the media were calling him. They weren't calling him like Hanbin, they weren't calling him VI, they were just telling him that he was calling him disgusting and that he wasn't gonna do anything in life just because of the scandal that he didn't do, which is like insane. That's like 2019 was just.
I think like him saying like I just do it, but I think it's a thought. So
right.
I think people would sympathize with it. I mean, obviously everybody in the West was like, yeah, like we feel for you. But,
yeah.
Like people in Korea were like, no.
Yeah, it's because Korea.
The thought of you doing it is
disgusting. Yeah, and it's like they treat weed like it's like heroin. It's literally weed. But I'm excited. I feel like I should pre-order this album because it's really pretty. Because I saw BI's when I was in New York. I saw Bobby's. I was like, oh, it's so pretty.
Mother's the name of the person who filmed it.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching my reaction to Hanbin. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!